Well, it's time to do some dock repair here on Lake Santa Fe in Florida. You see the dew dripping out of the trees. It's a very foggy morning, and we had some dock damage during Hurricane Irma. That's been very difficult to repair because the water is still so high. And of course it's cold here on January 10th. You'll see that the catwalk here is just barely above water level, and I've added some straps here to hold up one side of the catwalk because it was completely ripped loose from the poles by the waves. You see here, this is completely separated. The bolts ripped out, and I've pulled it up with 3 come-alongs here. But this is a temporary fix, and every time a little storm comes with some waves, it begins to tear it apart again. So I'm adding some poles here. And you see I got my water running. I'm going to jet some holes in the sand down there, put one right here, and that should help support it. So I've added a section of 2-inch pipe on here. This is not threaded, so it might fall off, so I've tied a rope on it to catch it in case it comes loose. So we'll see if we can get this into the water and do a little jetting this morning. There goes the frog. Okay, so now we're down on the bottom, and let's see if we can make some progress here into the sand. You don't have to push down very hard. Just wanting to go sideways a little bit. Can't really see in the water too well. This is pretty murky tannic acid water. It's going down. There it goes. There it goes. I don't know if you can appreciate it, how it's moving. Whoops, that came loose. So that one didn't work too well there.